Hi, my name is Bailey Salvador, and here are a few recipes for our preschoolers. This is one of my favorite recipes for little kids. I call them rainbow pancakes. So it's just your typical pancake mix. You're going to use your flour, your milk, your butter, your baking soda, your sugar, your vanilla extract, your eggs. If you use lemon or other things like that, you definitely can add that in here. And then what I do is I spread the batter into a couple different bowls, and I put some coloring dye in each bowl, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Some days, I'll just do pink and purple. Some days we do blue and green, whatever it is. And then I make little tiny pancakes. I cut them up. I love putting them on these little wood picks. And then I put, you know, this shows raspberries and blueberries. I typically will just throw strawberries and blueberries on. Um, and then the kids love them and they will eat the whole entire thing. This is nutritious for them because it's pancakes, it's filling them up. Um, the strawberries and the blueberries always get eaten, which is a good way to sneak fruit in without having them really realize they're eating fruit. And then it's a really fun way to get them to eat because they're colorful, they're tiny. They can eat them with their hands, they can eat them off the little stick. So this is my favorite go-to breakfast meal when I feel like the kids aren't going to eat. Lunch, I love snack plates. I love snack plates for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Typically, a snack plate that's super easy to throw together is just carrots, blueberries, and some goldfish. And then what I usually do is I'll roll up turkey and cut the turkey small, just, typical lunch meat turkey for them. And, I like how this picture showed a goldfish and one of the blueberries because if you give them enough colors, I find that they are more inclined to eat it. You definitely want to make sure you cut things up if your kids are still young and you're worried about choking. But I think if you find enough finger foods, they're more inclined to, want to sit down and eat them. And, I always throw in a snack that maybe isn't so healthy, but they love, like goldfish or maybe mini cookies or fruit snacks or something like that that they can, you know, that they also enjoy while they're eating, the not so yummy things like blueberries or carrots. In dinner, I always just go with whatever it is we're eating. This is a good one that I like, hamburger, green beans, French fries. That's something that, we would sit down and eat. So it's also, I like feeding them what we eat so that it makes them feel like, oh, we're grown up, we're going to eat, whatever the adults are eating. And it's also healthy and, it gets them into, eating adult meals, but obviously we cut them up. We make sure that they're on their plates. But yeah, those are some quick, fun, easy recipes that I think preschoolers not only enjoy, but it also gets them to eat them. Thank you.